Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to be installing Opt7 lighting in my door and under the dash, or under the dash and in the door, I should say. I've already got the power cable run. So I got the power cable right here, going through the firewall down there where the emergency neutral switch comes in. That was the easiest way to get in. And then I have this monstrosity that I wired up last night. This is my relay box. I've got my power coming into all the fuses, so there's 6 fuses on here, 6 relay options available. That gives me the ability to add more circuits and add more things to the vehicle as time goes. So a couple things in the future that I'd like to do. I got the lights, those are going to be on circuit 1. I'm going to do probably rock lights, grill lights, I'll do them on circuit 2. I do want to do a train horn, I'll probably put them on a 3rd circuit. I got a light bar that I would like to do, so I'll put them on a 4th circuit. So that's kind of my idea. I don't know if it's the way it's going to work out, but that's what I'm going for. This box is going to be mounted up under the dash here somewhere, not quite sure where, but we'll figure that out later. And I'm still waiting for the actual module to control the LED lights. Supposed to be out today. They're out for delivery today, so hopefully they come before the end of the day and I can get this wired up. I do have the LED strips. I do have these LED strips. Some of these go under the door or under the seats, and some of these go in the door. I can start wiring these up. These are some of my door ones. So these are the small ones. So these actually go in the door where the ambient light holes are in the Rebels. There's actually holes in the door made for ambient light. Not these particular ones, but these work. Let's see here. These are more small ones. And then I believe these are longer ones. So these two, I'm gonna get these wired up under the dash today. And I guess I'll start working on the door. I'll have to pull the door panels off, but I'll show you what I mean. So in the doors, here's your door handle. There's a little hole up here. I don't know if you can see that. There's a hole there. There's a little tiny hole here, which, you know, I might cut out and make a little bigger. Just a little more light come through. I'm not sure yet. And then there's also a bunch of holes up under here. You can't really see that, but anyway, there's holes. This is the cup holder in the door here. Up under here, there's a bunch of holes. So the light will shine down here, light will shine out through here, and light will shine down through here. And then I'm gonna have dash lights up under here to shine down in the wheel well, and then I'm gonna put more back here under the driver and passenger seat to shine back in the floor in the back. Same thing with the back here. You got the holes up top, holes there, holes down there. So we're gonna do the same thing with all 4 doors. Get the under lights under the seat. We'll see how it goes. All right, I'm gonna get up under here. I'm gonna see if I can get a light under here. So this is underneath the dash. This left side that you see over here, this is outside. This is the left, or this is the driver's side, left-hand side. The light is attached, double-sided tape. I'll probably throw some zip ties on there just to make sure it doesn't come off. Right up on that module, there's actually a nice flat spot on that module. So I just double-sided it to that. I think that's gonna be good. Once I get the lights turned on, I'll actually see how it looks. The passenger side, I didn't realize had like this carpet cover over top, so you can't get up under the glove box. So I just stuck it to the carpet, and again, I'll probably take some zip ties and zip them in here and whatnot. I think this will be okay. Again, once we get it turned on, we'll go ahead and see what's going to happen here. But for now, we're going to leave it like that until I get the module, plug it in, and get it all fired up and see how it works. Now I have to take these doors off, these door panels off. I believe there's a screw under here and there's a screw under here. and then everything else just pops off. There's a couple wires I got to disconnect for the windows, speakers, door locks, all that fun stuff. So let's take a door off. I'm gonna start with the driver's side. All right, so we're gonna start out by popping off these two covers here. We'll see what size bolt is under there. Screwdriver and toolbox. Well, that one popped right off. Why won't this one pop right off? There's like a bigger clip on that side, and that's what was holding it up. But it started like bend to plastic, so I had to be careful with that one. This one didn't have that; it just had the snap-on clips. So they're 10 mil. The rest of this door should be held on by just clips. Hopefully. Wish I had pry tools. And then the door latch. The door latch is, I don't know how it comes off. I think it just pops out though. Two little clips, and it pops off. And we have a door panel off. So let's get this in the garage and we'll get some lights installed. All right, so now that we have our door mounted or door off, we got to figure out how these lights go. So this is the door handle up here. There should be a hole for a light right there. That hole right there. And then there should be another one right here. No, right here. It's on this side. There's another hole right there. And then we should have these holes right here, all along here. So that's all made for ambient light. So let's figure out how to get these mounted up and I'll show you what I got. All right, sorry about the wind. Every time I try to record, it's always windy. We got the doors back on, the lights work. I got lights there, lights here. Got the other door on, lights are all in there. Lights are underneath the dashboard here. You kind of see the rope light, the strip light there. There's one on the other side, temporary wiring as of right now. I do need to rewire the switch box. I did not wire it properly, so yeah, that's gonna be fun. So I'm not sure how we're gonna wire this yet, but right now we just have it temporarily run. We are working on the last door, passenger rear door. I got the door right here inside. The lights are already done. Got them all secured. I used duct tape actually. Nothing would stick to this. I had super glue. The glue was terrible. So yeah, just use duct tape and it actually holds really nicely. It's not gonna go anywhere. So we gotta get the wiring done here. On these back ones, I have the wiring harness pulled out from the door jamb there. These don't have a pass through. So what I'm doing is I'm having to come here. I'm having to drill this out. There's no electronics in this whatsoever. So I'm just taking a 1/2-inch drill, drilling it out, and feeding the wire through there. Of course I have to run it through the loom here and into the door. And then I was gonna come out this hole until I realized that this is a support for the door panel. So I'm probably gonna come out, I don't know, I think right here, this probably comes off. This grommet here comes off. So I'll probably feed it out through here. And then it needs to come to right about this area to plug in. So I'm gonna do that, and then we'll get the door panel put back on and yeah, I just been trying to knock this out. That's why I haven't been recording too much. I figured I'd get you up to date. It's time consuming. I have to figure out where to run all of the wires. I have tons of extension cables. I have a bunch of Y connections, so I need to figure out where those are all going to go. I still have to do the ones under the seat, so I still have to put the ones under here. And that's it. Like, all the lights are mounted except for those two. It's just going to be getting this door panel back on and figuring out how to route all the wires to get them all connected together. I'll update you once I get to that point. So it's not the prettiest thing right now, but it is all installed. I got wires everywhere right now. Obviously I have to rewire everything. But everything is working. There's the front, the back door, all up under here, all up under here. I just have to tuck all the wires away, make sure all the extensions are right, and tidy everything up. And then I have to figure out what to do with my relay box. Accessory mode, lights are on, wires are tucked away. Light there, light up under here. Everything is working. You see it's yellow right now. I haven't changed the color yet. Not sure what color I'm going to run. Again, I'll show you guys at night here when it gets dark. But right now, that's what we got. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Here's the finished product. This is the Opt7 underglow light. As you can see, I have them over in the door handles. I got it underneath the handle there. And then down below, I have them in the door trim. You can see down here below. Nice and bright. Got them set to red right now. Can change them to any color. Got all the wires nicely tucked away. We've got the underlights here where the cup holder goes. Sorry, where's it at? The cup holder lights down here, so it shines down in here. You got the light right here, which actually produces quite a bit of light. I thought I was gonna have to cut this out to make it shine through brighter, but it actually puts out quite a bit of light just from that tiny little hole there. And then of course we got the light underneath the door handle there, so looks very well finished. We're not in a completely dark setting. I'm just here in a parking lot. Decided to film the rest of this while I was out. Here we got the back, same thing in the doors, all up underneath there, nice and bright. All my dome lights are on, so yeah, another project that you all can do to your Ram. These trucks are built for the ambient light, so it actually is pretty straightforward. It does take some time figuring out how to wire everything, getting all the wiring through the door channels, the door trim into the boot here to get it from the oh my god, the dash to the door. So feeding the wires through there, getting everything attached inside the door was a little bit tricky. Like I said, I used duct tape. Honestly, that was the best thing for this project. I couldn't get anything else to stick. It's hard to get zip ties on there. I tried zip tying, I tried super glue, nothing wanted to hold, so I ended up duct taping it, and it actually worked out really well. Everything's been holding in place. Had this in for about a month now. Absolutely no issues. The light output is amazing. I'm probably going to get the Opt7 rock lights to put underneath the wheel wells. and I can tie them all in together, integrate them, and I can control them all from one single app. I can control them separately. I can control them as a whole. I want to get those, and I'm probably going to do something up in the dash here, or the grill. I'll probably get something up in the grill here. I'll get a light of some sort. Awesome. Someone is mad at somebody. So I'll get a light up in the grill there of some sort and kind of set that off a little bit. But yeah, that's another project down the road. I do have things in the works, so you'll just have to stay tuned. Make sure to click that subscribe button, hit the like button if you like what you see. Comment down below what you'd like to see. Like I said, I got plans for this truck. It's just time consuming and costly, so let me know what you want to see. Recommend it. What have you done to your truck? Show me what you've done to your truck. So stay tuned for further updates, and again, make sure to always check out my Instagram. My Instagram's always got up-to-date photos prior to posting to YouTube. Obviously, I got to edit these YouTube videos, so it takes a little bit longer for me to get them posted. Sometimes I just don't have time with work and everything, but follow me at Rebellious Ram on Instagram. Again, YouTube, obviously, if you're watching this, you're already here. But click the subscribe button to make sure you stay up to date. Click the little bell for notifications, all that fun stuff. And yeah, so we're gonna call that a wrap. Until next time, we'll see you all in the next video. Peace.